To automatically enable Bixby Voice Wake Up on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra when you are driving, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap driving. Tap other action. Under suggested action section, tap voice wake up. Tap voice wake up. And then make sure to set it to on. Tap done button to save the change. And then tap done button again to save the change. With this setting, when the driving mode is active, your phone will automatically enable Bixby Voice Wake Up, so you can easily ask Bixby to start listening by saying the selected wake up phrase. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.